Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss a crucial topic for those interested in real estate investments. We will be talking about the safest ways to invest in real estate. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, we have got you covered with key strategies, risk mitigation techniques, and practical tips to ensure your success in the real estate market. So, let's jump right in. Real estate investment offers long-term stability and growth, creating passive income streams and building wealth over time. In this video, we'll guide you through the safest ways to navigate the real estate landscape, equipping you with key strategies, risk mitigation techniques, and practical tips for success. Let's dive in and explore the path to success in real estate investing. Before diving into real estate investment, it's essential to understand the diversity of real estate. Investing in real estate offers various opportunities with different risks and rewards. Residential properties offer steady income through rentals, but require time-consuming management, draining your time and money simultaneously. They can be a good option for someone who can invest without early returns. Commercial properties provide high returns but require a deep understanding of market trends, which keep changing from time to time. They can be your choice of interest if you have good knowledge of ongoing trends. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning property, but returns are subject to market fluctuations and are highly risky. The advantages are that investment is low as you need not to own a property, but the risk factors, on the other hand, are high as well. Real estate crowdfunding provides low capital investment opportunities, but thorough research is crucial before investing. Vacation rentals have high rental income potential but require meticulous attention to property maintenance and guest satisfaction. They are seasonally in demand but can generate high profits in less time. Fix and flip properties offer quick profits, but require a keen understanding of local markets and high renovation costs. Market trends and location, as well as the age of the property, plays a crucial role in affecting profit-cost margins. Understanding these different types and their pros and cons can help you make a better and revised decision, minimizing the risks and maximizing the profit potential. Once you are adamant about investing in a specific property type, we can proceed further. Let's talk about key strategies to ensure the safety of your real estate investments. One effective approach is thorough research. Understanding local market trends, property values, and economic indicators will empower you to make informed decisions. Additionally, consider working with experienced professionals, such as real estate agents, appraisers, and financial advisors. Their insights can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of the market. There's no business on earth that can ensure zero risks, but there are ways to minimize risk and maximize returns. Amongst many others, the safest way is diversification. It means spreading your investments across different types of properties and locations to minimize risk exposure and not to bear losses when market trends change. Furthermore, preparations beforehand in case of financial urgency and an emergency fund can provide a safety net during unexpected downturns in the market. When it comes to achieving long-term success in real estate, it's like growing a sturdy tree. You need strong roots and a smart approach. Firstly, it is important to establish your goals. To make up your mind, whether you are looking for a quick profit or a steady income over time. Understanding the basics of the industry can help you grow over time in the real estate industry. Keep a keen eye on the market trends and follow accordingly. Give yourself enough time to analyze from every perspective and then invest, because rushing can lead to critical financial damage. Study the ROIs effectively to analyze the cost against the profits. Build connections with professional real estate agents, experienced investors, and brokers. Most importantly, always have a backup plan. Aim for the victory but be prepared for the losses. Consider the ifs that arise and answer them wisely. Be patient because you are aiming to be a real estate tycoon. And that's all we had in our guide to the safest ways to invest in real estate. By implementing these strategies, mitigating risks, and staying informed, you can set yourself on a path to long-term success in the real estate market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. All through your journey, be empowered through the wisdom of finance mastery. Thanks for joining us today.